This text-to-video generation AI tool gives you smoother motion, more consistent flow and fewer glitches. While this AI tool has qualities like multimodal creativity and mask manipulation, here are 3 alternatives of Sora AI available for all. These tools are so powerful and effective with so much potential that if you learn to use them properly, it will help you grow in terms of video generation or even in creating content for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. I'll also talk about its amazing features and use cases. And yes, there's a bonus tip at the end of this video where I'll be telling you about an AI website where you can get any info or news related to AI before any other source. So stay tuned. At first we have Runway Generation 2. Runway ML offers a set of creative tools and Runway Gen 2 is one of them. It is an amazing AI tool that lets you create videos from text images or even clips. It is one of the best text-to-video AI tools and it does stand out in the realm of generative AI. You can actually create realistic and consistent videos using this tool without actual filming. The reason Runway is as good as Sora, if not better, is because of its versatility, which offers multiple modes for different creative needs. It has a user-friendly interface and also lets you produce high-quality outputs. Using Runway is very simple. Just log onto its website, select the Start for free and you'll be directed towards its dashboard. There you can see a bunch of different options to create videos. Select the text or image to video and simply type in your prompt. It will analyze and create a video based on it. Now it does help creators in generating footage in one go instead of searching for hours on different websites. At second we have Make a Video AI tool. Meta, as we all know, changed its name from Facebook, has recently launched a Make a Video AI tool that lets you create customized videos by combining texts, images and clips. While it is not entirely like Sora AI, but it's a versatile option that lets you create engaging video content. Make a Video tool is available via PyTorch. PyTorch is an open source machine learning framework using Python and the Torch library. PyTorch speeds up the transition from research to deployment and is popular in deep learning research, as they have recently stated that since we have just started, so it's only available in a few countries. Are you still with me? Because the third tool is a very popular and effective text-to-video tool which expertly competes with Sora. And also stay tuned for the bonus tip that I had mentioned earlier. At third we have the Lumiere by Google. This is another exciting tool for generating visual content where it focuses on creating captivating animations and videos from text prompts. It is also currently available as an extension to the PyTorch deep learning Python framework. Although Lumiere is still being developed and isn't available to the public yet, researchers are busy testing and improving the model, aiming to make it more widely accessible in the future. In the meantime, you can follow Google AI's research blog for updates and watch for any beta testing opportunities that might come up. And now it's time for the bonus tip I mentioned at the beginning of the video about an amazing AI website where you can find the latest news and information on AI. The website is called Futurepedia. On this site you can learn about AI tools, AI agents, AI innovations, and even AI tutorials. So go ahead and check out this website today. In this video I told you about 3 powerful and popular alternatives to Sora. But you should also check out China's new Vidu AI, which looks very promising. And also see what big prediction Bill Gates has made about the future of AI.